Hi there, Dale White here. Today I've got an educational video on how to import your contacts from your Excel spreadsheet into an email provider. My email provider is Gmail, so I'm going to do the demonstration using Gmail. But of course, other email providers actually accept this way of importing, so you should be right in that sense. First thing we're going to do is set up some dummy variables. So what we're going to do is go name and email address. Now make sure you actually do it in this order. If you're doing something, especially for Gmail, you've got to put name first and then email address and then phone number if you're putting a phone number in. For some reason it recognizes it and it enters it into Gmail properly. So make sure you do name and email address. Yeah. So we're going to go test1 email address. Test1 at. Now you guys, what I'm doing here is you guys have already got this, but if you're ever creating like a database, essentially this is what you'll be doing, entering in some people. Okay, cool. Now you guys have got this from here, so this is the part where you should really be switched on and ready to learn. So we're going to go to this up here, alright, start button, and go to save as. Now I'm going to save it to my desktop. We're just going to call it education on importing. There you go. Cool. Now the save as type. This type is important because Gmail and other email accounts recognize a certain type of format. So you're going to look for CSV, delimited. I always call it comma deleted, but that's just me. Comma delimited. Alright, CSV. You want to hit that one there. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and save. Okay, now this is going to come up. The reason this comes up is because I've got two sheets down here. Alright, so essentially you can delete those sheets or just go OK. It's going to come up saying that the format's going to be, some of the features in here are not compatible with CSV, but don't worry about that. The features that aren't compatible are the links here to the email, but don't worry, just go yep. And we're going to get out of that. I'm going to go no. Cool. And there it is, our education on importing in a format that Gmail and other email providers recognize. So what we're going to do is go to our Gmail account. If you've got Gmail, hit contacts. Now essentially, like I said, you can do this on any email account. You go to the import button. When you've got contacts in your email, you can hit import, and that's what we're going to do. And here it is, look at this. Please select CSV or vCard file to upload. So we've got CSV files. So we want to hit browse. And we want to get the file that we just saved, wherever it is. Education on importing. So I want to hit that one there. Now I can also add it to a group if I want to. So we might just do that. Add it to a new group. And let's call it tester group. Cool. So look at that. We have imported all two contacts found in the uploaded file. Okay. Now in the group I created, tester group, there are my contacts, test 1 and 2. Test 1, title up there, plus a link to their email. Look at that. So I hope that helps today. I hope that you can import all the contacts that I've sent you or you're going to create through Excel spreadsheets. Have a great day.